Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy braided chignon hairstyle. To start, we're going to section out a chunk of hair from behind the left ear and clip this out of the way for later. Next, gather the remaining hair into a low ponytail and secure it with an elastic band. Loosen this up by pulling the elastic band away from the head a little bit, and we're going to make a hole with our fingers, reach through and pull that ponytail up and through the hole. Next, gently backcomb the underside of that ponytail and then just use your comb to smooth over the top layers. Apply a little bit of hairspray and gather that ponytail up in your hands and just add an elastic band a few inches away from the bottom. Next, just roll those tail ends under until you meet the bottom of the hairline, and we're just going to secure at the top and bottom of each side using a couple of bobby pins. Use some hairspray to calm any flyaways. Next, take that first section and we're just going to simply create a 3-strand braid. Apply some texture spray and gently pinch and pull at the edges of that braid to make it nice and voluminous. Bring the braid up and over the chignon that we've created, and we're going to tuck the tail in on the right hand side by just curling these round our fingers and then popping them underneath that chignon and pinning it to the head. Use your hand to gently push the chignon towards the head and just catch the very edges of the side and secure these down, and repeat this on both sides. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.